silver futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in slightly positive MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI, but we have yet to close above the 18 moving average, this purple line, and that is at a price of $19.34. And as with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and at oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $16.56. My sell target is at $18.50. My stop loss is at $15.80. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $18.82, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $17.37. My stop loss is at $19.68. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 57% chance to climb between 0 to 8% and a 14% chance to climb between 8 to 15%. To the downside, it has a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.